Hey everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for joining me today. Before we get into the video, I wanted to do a quick intro to show you guys the dried results of the painting that you're going to see. I had done these colors in another painting recently, which has already sold, so I can't show you guys that one. But I wanted to use the colors again and change up the composition a little bit. So I kept thinking, what can I do? And I realized I haven't done a triptych in a really long time. And I don't know why, because I really like them. I think they're really cool because it's like 3 paintings in one. Plus, triptychs are very versatile. When you're hanging them on the wall, you could hang them like I have them here. You could kind of catty corner them, one a little bit taller than the other one. You could always flip one, like flip the center. And to me, that's just really awesome to be able to change the way that you orient the paintings. Another way, you could always stack them sideways. Let's see if I can do that in frame. Kind of in frame, not really. There goes my dog barking. So yeah, that's what you guys are going to see today in the video. As usual, the colors as well as the formula will be listed in the description box. And if you're interested in purchasing this painting, it is available on my Etsy shop. I will leave the link in the description as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.